This video is about how to crop the view of Revit. Okay, for that I select this level. This is the floor view or floor plan of the brush floor here. Okay, if you need to crop the view, it means you can add a limit or margin for the view by using cropping. Okay, for that you have to enter the properties window or properties panel. If you can't see the properties panel, you can get it on view tab, user interface, properties. Okay, now this is the properties panel. Under the properties panel, the section extends. Properties panel, then extends. There are two tick marks we have to apply: crop view and crop region visible. Okay, when I apply crop view and then crop region visible, you can see that there is a margin or view limits. Okay, you can see that if we are dragging this one, you can see that some parts are not visible. Beyond that limit, we cannot see anything outside the box. Okay, you can see that. We can drag this margin or the limit by clicking on this blue colored dot. Okay, when I click on the margin, there's a blue colored dot. Then I can drag it. You can see that. I can change the margin. Okay. This is not only for 2D views, for 3D views also we can apply cropping of view. This is the 3D view of that model. If you need to crop this view or mark limits for the view, you can use that crop view and crop region visible. You can see that there is a this is the margin of it, and by clicking on it and drag, I can change or manage the limits. You can see that we can see some details or text out of the box, but otherwise all the elements are not visible out of this view box. Okay. This is the way of cropping views in Revit, and if you have any question you can comment it and I will answer all questions of you.